In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use rulers and guides here in Canva. Now, this is extremely easy to do. All we have to do, once we have our project open, is come up to Files just here, come down to View, Settings, and then we have the options just here, Show Rulers and Guides. If we click on there, we now have the rulers and guides down the side. Now, to use this, all you have to do is drag in, then you can put your guide anywhere that you want. You can do this on the left-hand side as well, like so. You can also remove your guides as simply as adding them. So all you do is click on it, drag it back up to the ruler in there, like so, and then that's gone. If you do that on all of them, then that's done like that. Now, if we go back up to the file section, we can disable this by clicking there again, or if we go to the files again, go to view settings, we can actually add guides like this as well. And we can add 12 columns, 3 columns, 3 by 3, or completely customizable. We could do a 6 by 0 or whatever that we want. Now, if we want to add these guides, we simply click add guides. It's now added it to the page, and there we go. Now, to remove all these, we can simply come back up to File, go to View Settings, and Clear Guides. So that's just how simple it is to add rulers and guides here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.